Notice how your full body feels as it's sitting. So take another in-breath or two. To help encourage your relaxation and to help prepare you for the convergence of a heart-centered and higher consciousness-activated meditative experience.
We welcome you to this introspective meditation journey for mastering the art of living. One thought, one choice, and one action at a time. Today, we'll explore the inner dimensions of your human beingness to help you find greater peace, inner peace, purpose, happiness, fulfillment, and contentment in your life.
So imagine a warm golden light surrounding you. This golden orb is a symbol of positivity, universal love, and inner wisdom. Visualize it enveloping your entire body and gently warming and soothing you.
Now bring your attention to your heart center, the source of your emotions and inner wisdom. And as you take another breath in, imagine drawing in positive energy and exhaling any negativity or tension. With each breath, your heart center becomes more vibrant and radiant. Feel the strength of your eternal psychic connection with your divine nature.
Now bring to mind someone who you're immensely grateful for in your life. Feel the love, support, and interconnectedness you have with that special someone. Now add other important relationships that are meaningful and supportive, relationships that matter. Relationships that make this trip through skin school worthwhile for you.
Now very gently shift your focus to your goals and dreams. Visualize yourself living your best life, fulfilling your deepest dreams and desires, maximizing your considerable potential in this, your current skin school experience.
Recognize that you have the power to make your dreams come true. With dedication and perseverance, you can master the art of living by aligning your human nature with your timeless divine nature.
And now imagine a bright white light within you, filling your entire being. This light represents your potential, your inner strength, your inner peacefulness, your happiness, and your phenomenal capacity for transformation.
As you focus on this radiant light, think about the changes you want to make in your life. What aspects of yourself or your circumstances would you like to transform? Hold those intentions gently in your heart.
Imagine a vivid image of yourself in a state of perfect health and vitality. Picture yourself radiating with energy, happiness, and well-being. Feel the joy and vibrancy of this healthy version of yourself. And take just a moment to feel a deep sense of gratitude for your body. Your body is a miraculous vessel that carries you through life. Express thanks for all the incredible things it allows you to do, from the simplest tasks to the most complex achievements.
Take just a moment to express gratitude for your higher consciousness spiritual journey and the growth you've experienced moving from the dogmas of religion toward the enlightened thought of meta-spirituality. Reflect on the higher truths you've learned and are learning, any and all challenges you've overcome, and moments of profound insight and information you've experienced, especially the transformative times. Sense your interconnectedness and interconnectivity with all living beings, and know that you're an integral part of this vast and beautiful tapestry of ethereal and material existence.
See yourself always bringing the poise of your divine nature to the noise of outer circumstances. Envision your ability to handle obstacles or challenges you may encounter along the way. Instead of fearing them or fretting about them, see yourself facing them with resilience, fortitude, creativity, and strength.
As we conclude this meditation, remember that the art of living is having one spiritual thought, making one higher consciousness choice, and taking one incredible forward-thinking action at a time in your lifelong journey. Because it involves the continuity of melding your small s self with your capital S self, each consecutive moment of now, on your way toward uninterrupted spiritual growth and transformation.
Remember that mastering the art of living is an ongoing process. So be patient with yourself and allow room for growth and change. Continuously reassess your goals and values as you evolve and make adjustments accordingly. The journey of mastering the art of living in Skin School is unique to each of us. So create a path that aligns with your own aspirations and values.
When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry the wisdom and peace you have discovered here with you as you continue your journey of mastering the art of living, one thought, one choice, one action at a time.